2007 Opel Astra G antifreeze replacement. To replace the antifreeze, we first need to remove the guard. It's held on with 4 bolts. Here's one, the other one. We have one on this side. There are strips here, but the guard is not the original, so it was attached as it happened. See how it is on yours, if it has one. Here we have a drain plug. It's plastic, with 2 rubber bands inside. The easiest way to unscrew it is counterclockwise. That is, turn it yourself. Slowly, it has 2 positions so you don't unscrew it completely, because all the antifreeze will immediately start pouring down the bumper. The easiest way is with the antifreeze filler cap closed. Place a board where the antifreeze will drain. Put a container underneath and begin to slowly unscrew the plug. Literally just a little. If you're doing it yourself, just open it a crack. Look for the antifreeze to start leaking. Then, lift up and open the filler cap again. Leave it like this, just for convenience. To keep the pit dry. This is the easiest way. Unscrew the filler cap. And as you hear, more draining begins. It's easiest to leave it open from here on, but this is only if you're doing it yourself. If you have a helper, you can ask them to unscrew it, tighten it, that is, regulate how quickly the draining takes place. Then, basically, by turning the drain plug itself, you regulate the flow of antifreeze until it's completely drained. As soon as the fluid runs out, there won't be much. Unscrew the plug completely to allow the remaining fluid to drain. This whole idea is just to avoid making a mess in the pit, too. Avoid overfilling it. If you unscrew the plug right away, it will all flow into every crack. For example, I just unscrewed the filler plug. I unscrew the drain plug more. So basically, let it drain in this position for now. If time allows, but I repeat. This is the cleanest option for draining. Additionally, if you have access, for example, to the pipes, here's a pipe. But it's more difficult if you have gas. These pipes are easy to bleed by hand, they're soft. Any remaining antifreeze. Check for. There's still a little bit left. When the antifreeze has practically drained completely, without putting the container aside, unscrew the plug completely. Two rubber bands in. A threaded rubber band at the end. Be sure to check its condition so that they are not swollen. The antifreeze will pass through so that they are in good condition. After the liquid is completely drained, screw the plug back in, insert it into the transmission until it stops against the threads, until it is completely all the way. Tighten it. Then, if the old fluid was in poor condition when draining, and in general, as a preventative measure, it is advisable to flush the entire system with distilled water. Fill with distilled water to the average level, be sure to pump the system as much as possible with the tubes to remove all the air that is in the system. Start the car so that it runs, drive this water through the system, similar to Draining the antifreeze, repeat the same procedure. Draining, filling in the already prepared liquid. And now drain the distilled water after. It has worked in the system. And the distilled water was drained, according to the video. It was clear there how much, what the condition was, so we screw the drain plug back as far as possible. Fill in fresh antifreeze, pump the pipes according to the level, so that we have an average level in the barrel with antifreeze. Then warm up the car to operating temperature until it turns on. After the car has fully warmed up, check the coolant level to make sure it's within the normal range. If it's within the normal range, set it as is. If necessary, top it up to the correct level. The replacement is essentially complete at this point.